What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another So Your Wife Wants You To. I'm Steve-O. We're going to talk today about what you put on top of your car if you want to go on a long vacation and you've got a lot of people in your family, a lot of suitcases, a lot of coolers, or just whatever else you might have. If you look, it's the thing right there above my shoulder. It's hanging up behind a bunch of stuff in my garage, but it's a really cool basket. I want to do a little review, teach you how to put it on your car, which you can see over there we're going to look at. I did a pretty popular video on how to install roof racks. I'll put a little, I think it's a card, if they call it a card. Anyway, up in the top, I guess it'll be your top right probably, just on that video. But now it's like, I've gotten questions on, well, Steve-O, what do you put on the roof rack? Because those are just two little racks. You can't just, especially if you've got a car like mine where it's a glass sunroof, you can't just plop stuff on it. So we have a cool basket, as you can see, hanging up. I'm going to get it down. We're going to take a look at it, how I attach it. And then I'll put a link in the description of this video. If you look at your bottom right, below the video part, it's like a little carrot, like an upside down triangle thing. Click on that, you can see where I get it from, get it on Amazon. So more to come in just a second, and this will be a good video. Okay, I want to show you me getting it off of the wall because I want you to kind of assess how heavy it is. It's kind of hard to do that on video, but if you kind of see how much effort I put into getting it off the wall, maybe it'll help. So you can watch me just for the next few seconds on that. All right, here we go. So I just have it hung up with two hooks, just regular hooks. Sorry, the thing's swinging around, but so it's not terribly heavy. It might be 15 pounds, I don't know, it's kind of a guess. So not super heavy. Pretty easy. All right, let's go put it on the car. Okay, I'm gonna have you watch me put it on the car also, just so you can assess how easy it is. So basically turn it sideways. And kind of lay it on. Push it on. So that's about it. And then obviously we're going to have to attach it. So let's go look at the attachments. Okay, as far as the attachments, there's this piece, which is threaded. I don't know if you can tell it's threaded. Threads here, threads on the other side. This piece, made out of like a hard resin. This piece, which is metal. And then these two pieces. So this goes on here. All right, this goes in there like that. Then it's going to attach on the car. I'm going to show you how it attaches. Then this will go basically like that with the car where my fingers are right now, basically the basket. I'll show you when we get on the car here, but then these things will attach on like that. So that's basically it. So let's go do it in real life. So before it's attached, you want to make sure it's centered on the roof rack. So if you see right here, there's the roof rack. And over here, it kind of hangs off. So this is not centered. We want to take this and pull it this way. Super easy. Literally can do it with a couple fingers here. We're just getting it to where it's pretty centered. So that looks good, just like that. Just kind of play with it a little bit until it's perfect. It has like a bug deflector or wind deflector right here, which is nice. So let's go ahead and attach it up now. Okay, here we go. So I've got these two pieces, not the metal, just these two pieces. And I'm going to put them on this roof rack. So it's actually going on the bars of the basket. So it's on the bars of the basket, and then this is the roof rack. So now what I got to do is take this metal piece and slide it up over the threads. And now that it's on, just take these pieces and start screwing them on, twisting them. Okay, try to get you the best view I can here. So this is what it looks like on the top. We've got the U bracket, or whatever it's called, with this thing. And then we've got it going into the metal part under here. There we go. Autofocus is sometimes your friend and sometimes your enemy. Okay. Now we're just screwing it on. And as you screw it, it'll become tighter and kind of get on there a little bit better. Screw the other side on. It's easier with two hands. Right now I'm using one. But that's the basics of it. I mean, I can do it with one thumb basically, and it's not terrible. So that times 4, that comes with 4 brackets. So 1, 2 over there, and then 1, 2 on that side. And that's really it. It just stays on with those 4 brackets. You can kind of see how you can do 4 of them. I don't have to do all 4 to show you, but that's it. And then as you're on your vacation, you know, I have a bag that I put on here with all the suitcases and everything zipped up. So that makes it easy. I'm going to put links in the description for all the things that I use. The basket, the bags. I'll put the roof racks in as well, just because I want you guys to have the full effect. If you just have the roof racks with nothing on it, it's almost kind of worthless. Like, you really have to have something to protect the top of your car, something that you can strap the bag onto, strap your suitcases onto. This is a really tight setup. It's really solid and tight once it's all put together. So that's about it. So consider subscribing, and I'd love for you to share this around with anybody you know is going on vacation. We're going to be using it here pretty soon. So summer vacation's coming up. Going to the lake, going up to into the mountains. So it should be pretty fun. That's all. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.